What's up, everyone? It's your boy OSITO and his adventures, and today we're back with with another banger. If it's your first time here, I want to introduce myself. My name is Isaac, better known as OSITO and Adventures, and in this channel we talk auto detailing. I do product reviews, we talk about detailing, and we talk about life. So if you like content like that, make sure you hit the bell notification. But first, you gotta subscribe so you don't miss another video like this. Now that we got that out the way, let's get straight into the video, guys. I moved a little bit just because we got the air compressor and the vacuum and the generator going off. But with that being said, guys, what I want to talk to you guys about today is active foam. The other day I was in a search for some for a pre-soak or pre-wash, whatever you want to call it, and I asked my boy from Details. I was like, hey Sal, where can I get, or what would you recommend for a good pre-wash or pre-soak? He said either super foam or active foam. They had active foam on location, and we ended up buying a gallon, guys. First and foremost, I want to say that this is in the pricier end, right? $55 for a gallon. But I must say, guys, this thing works amazing, and we're not gonna hype it up, you know. I'm just being straight up direct. You know, Superior Products has some great soaps too. I love using those, but when I tried out this one, I was able to tell the difference big time. And so with that being said, guys, I want to show you guys how it performs, how much we're gonna put in the foam cannon, how much are we gonna put in our bucket. Does it work? Does it not work? Is it too expensive? Is it underpriced? Let's talk about it, right? With that being said, let's get straight into it by the smell, guys. The smell. Oh man, I'm not sure if I just got out the shower and I sprayed some cologne or what, but it smells clean, and it don't smell like fruit. There's no fruit. I'm not sure what it just smells like. Like if you just got out the shower, your skin is clean, you know, your clothes is clean, or almost smells like if you have a clean bathroom, a clean kitchen. I can't really explain it, but it smells good. Like for instance, it smells clean, guys. And when you're working on the vehicle, this is just me speaking, when you're working on the panels on the vehicle, you can still smell it, guys. So let's quit the chatting, let's get straight to it, because we got another vehicle to service after this one. So let's get to it. Yeah. All right, guys, so I got my bucket ready with some water, and as you guys can see, we have 1 ounce of soap in here. I want to know, guys, if you use this, is that too much to put into your bucket? I feel like I have maybe roughly 3 gallons inside there of some water, but I've been putting 1 ounce and that thing foams amazing. So with that being said, let's go dump this into the bucket, right? So we're gonna drop 1 ounce of active foam into our bucket. All right, my detailing grizzlies, now that we got the bucket out the way, it's time to fill up a foam cannon, right? And what I like to do is I like to fill it up all the way to the 900 millimeter. Up there, hopefully you're able to catch that right there, 900. And so what I do afterwards is I add 2 ounces of active foam, guys. This, I'm not gonna fill it up right now, but I will show you on the next one. This is enough to do a pre-wash. Can you believe that? This goes a long way. Yesterday I filled up all the way to the top. I did the 900 with 2 ounces. I got 3 cars out of it, guys, with pre-soaks. Crazy, right? With that being said, yes, we're gonna keep it at 900 with 2 ounces. So before we do that, I'm gonna take care of the wheels, because this is my client's vehicle. And so once we're ready to do the wash, I'll bring you guys back in. So stay tuned, my brothers. Yeah. All right, my detailing grizzlies, as you guys can see, we're gonna get started on this beautiful Ram Rebel. And as you guys can see, guys, it's not extremely dirty, because we did service this vehicle last month, right? We did a sealant, but there is a lot of pollen. Hopefully you're catching that on the camera. It looks kind of difficult, but it is dirty, guys. You guys can see there's still some mud coming out of here, guys. We pressure washed the heck out of it. Last month it came back from Burning Man, so there's still some spillage coming out, right? But that's why we're coming out once a month maintaining this beautiful truck. But as you guys can see, guys, it is kind of dirty. Not the dirtiest, but it's dirty, right? So we're gonna put this active foam by Koch Chemie to the test to see if it performs up to its standard, right? You want something good for $55. So with that being said, let's put you guys back on the tripod and let's get to business. As you guys can see, guys, this is active foam inside there. That's just 1 ounce. We're gonna see how foamy does it get. One ounce of active foam inside the wash bucket. Looks pretty foamy to me. Like I said, it smells like clean. What you guys think? I don't think you guys got it right, but sorry. But hopefully you guys got to see how it foamed up. Look, it's foamy, guys. Nice and foamy. So now I'm gonna just... There you are. Almost lost you. As you guys can see, half of the bottle. Would it be enough to at least get through a pre-soak? I think so. I'm gonna start off on the roof, then come back down. Let's start off right here, mejor. As you guys can see, it's nice and foamy, guys. 2 ounces. What you guys think, guys? Looks like we had just enough to do our pre-soak. Well, what you guys think about this foam, guys? Check it out. This is just 2 ounces, so I think it's pretty good so far, man. I'm gonna let this chill on the surface. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go restock on my can foaming. But, woo, it smells that clean, man. Hopefully we can get 2 ounces up in here, up in here, up in here. Roughly 2 ounces. Alright guys, we are back with another full bottle, man. Another full bottle of fun. What? And as you guys can see, guys, I'm not sure how long it's been, but I think it's been close to a minute, and you can still see it on there. It grabs onto the paint, which that's amazing. Now we're gonna start foaming this off. There we go. As you guys can see, guys, we spray it off and it still stays on there lingering. So all right, guys, we're gonna start doing the second foam, and this foam is gonna be hands-on. So let's get to it. That's nice and foamy, guys. Look at that. How much more can I put? There. Whew. Yeah, guys, this soap goes a long ways. As you guys can see, I have enough to do basically, like I said, if you do it on an SUV, truck or something, you might require a full bottle. Fill it up all the way to the top. You do your pre-wash, then you follow up with your hands-on soap, right? So now that I said that, I gotta do hands-on. So I'll be right back, guys. As you can see, let me start off back here. All right, guys, one thing for sure is that you can feel confident, especially in a day like this that's not too sunny. You can feel confident that you can go around the whole vehicle and the foam's still gonna be on there, right? Second of all, it has nice lubrication. You can feel the glidiness as you're working through. You can feel it gliding nicely, right? I like that. And not only that, but like I said, while you're working, you can smell clean. It smells clean. So that's a good benefit, right? That don't really matter sometimes, but when you're working with chemicals a lot, the good smelling ones are always good to have.
It almost has the smell of a cologne.
Yeah, see, my brother said a cologne. Like I said earlier, it smells like you just kind of got out the shower, feeling fresh, put your watch on, about to head out, feeling good. All right, my detailing grizzlies, we are done with this beautiful Ram Rebel. And I know there is a little bit of scratches marring. Keep in mind this is their adventure vehicle, but they also love this vehicle and love to go cruising and do lots of things in it. So it's still well taken care of, right? Despite the abuse it gets. But look at it, guys. Regardless, this thing looks amazing, right? My brother's adding the tire shine. We're getting ready to wrap it up. We're turning in this vehicle here shortly. But as you guys can see, the active foam really works, guys. I tell you what though, since this vehicle came back from Burning Man, it's been kind of difficult getting rid of all that grime inside there. They're okay with it though, right? But with that being said, guys, active foam really had me feeling in the zone. As you guys can see, this Ram turned out nicely, right? We were able to what we did is we diluted 2 ounces into a full foam cannon up to 900 millimeters, right? Kind of hot. And then we ended up adding 1 ounce of active foam into our bucket, right? So we were able to get lots of lubrication, lots of foam in our bucket. You seen the foam cannon, guys? It performed amazing. Thick foam. It was lingering onto the paint for over a minute. I would say definitely over a minute. And lubrication was there. It felt smooth to the touch. My wash mitt was gliding, right? So it was smooth like butter. I think it cleaned out great. Off of the first foam, you know, we like to do first foam, rinse off. I'm sure with that just first foam, it did a lot of cleaning. With that being said, guys, the one that I do want to try out next is Super Foam by Koch Chemie. If I do try it out, I'll make sure to let you guys know. And if we pair it together, I'm guessing that might be the pre-wash, and then this one might be for the hands-on. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys. Like I said last time, there's so many great channels out there that you can tune in to, and it don't have to be detailing related, but you chose to spend this time with me, and I really appreciate that, guys. So with that being said, remember, every day is a blessing and every struggle is a lesson, so don't be stressing. Yeah, real quick, comment down below, what is your favorite soap for a pre-wash? What do you love to do whenever it comes to pre-washing? You know, do you like to mix? Is there some type of concoction do you have, or is there a soap? Let us know, comment down below, for we can all learn together.